Hey, future doctors! Today, I'm here to guide you through a crucial yet often overlooked process, estimating chlorides in cerebrospinal fluid or CSF. This might not be a routine test for CSF, but it has its significance in diagnosing tuberculosis, meningitis, cerebral abscesses, and other complications from infections in the ear and nose. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the reagents you'll need. You will need 5% potassium chromate and 0.5814% silver nitrate. Make sure you have these ready before starting the procedure. Now, onto the procedure. Take 1 milliliter of CSF in a clean test tube. Add 2 drops of 5% potassium chromate to the CSF and mix it well. This is crucial, so make sure it's thoroughly mixed. Next, you'll need a measuring pipette filled with silver nitrate. Add the silver nitrate drop by drop to the CSF mixture, making sure to mix constantly. Continue adding until you observe a permanent color change from yellow to brown. This is your endpoint. Once you've reached this color change, note the quantity of silver nitrate used. This is essential for your calculation. Now, let's move on to the calculation. The amount of silver nitrate used in milliliters is multiplied by 85.5 to get the chloride concentration in mmol/L, expressed as NaCl. Let's say you used 0.1 milliliters of silver nitrate. Multiply 0.1 by 85.5, and you'll get 8.55 mmol/L chloride. Remember, readings above 760 mg/dL are commonly seen in renal inefficiency, while readings below 700 mg/dL are indicative of meningitis. So, understanding your results can guide you in diagnosing various conditions. This relatively simple procedure can be incredibly useful in diagnosing conditions like tuberculosis, meningitis, and cerebral abscesses, especially when other diagnostic options are inconclusive. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow medical students. Your support helps us bring more educational content. Stay curious and keep learning. We're